All right, today we're able to get all the weeds cleared. Got the grade pretty close to where it needs to be. Tomorrow we'll be going through the sprinkler system, capping off and adding our drip conversions as needed. We got the sidewalk all cleaned off. Made a little ramp for the machine. Cleaned out this area to get through. We capped off all of the unused lines. We got the plants laid out. And so we went and got everything planted and watered really well. We were able to use some of the extra dirt from the tree just to get that level up a little bit. And we got this in and running. We're gonna wanna grab a bib with the wind kind of doing what it's doing. I wanna put a bib there to push it into the future. And then we had to reroute this line. It was running straight that way. I'm pretty excited about it. Should look good when we're all done. Today we got drip installed to all the plants. And we laid weed mat and ran rock. Made sure everything's been watered good today. Placed our boulders sporadically throughout here. Tomorrow we just got this last little drag left. All right, here we are. Final product. Everything turned out pretty nice, I think. Got some nice plants going, some boulders to accent things. I think this water feature turned out beautiful. Nice little rock right here that you can sit and play in some water. This will clear up as a couple days go past, but